when we told you to go and vote for MPP, you replied us with Kwen. John Mama, John Mama, that's all.
Yeah, bre. Yes, I bre mpo yeah, bre. 10 good months. I didn't see na me ye be post yen. Medical akwa obi. 2 weeks. Nipa na ba. Edru say staff for the man, the abba jamia manage sika. Me staff for the man. Even kwa me call before answer ye bi school mpo. Bone be na ye. Baby I edru ji say ye frɛ ma me mo, ye nua mo. Answer ye didi. Nti ye bone say ye call school ana. Bone. Most of them see you in school. Ya school no so na ye adwuma. Dia o say mo de maye na ye so ye ho toye no mo fa maye. Nti e bone. Abusua mi bisa mo ma mo afie. E bone say ye nko school. The community knows very well. Omo hwe ya de ye sra mo nyina ne say 10 months. Menya sure so mo ti office wo. Obi anya 10 months aye ntua ne. Odo omo fa omo na be hye ye shoes mu. Na omo hwe heat e wo mu. Nti ye sra mo. Dia o so omo ye maya ye ho beto yen no. E na ye hwe omo nya maye.
Okay, so that's the voice of one of the ladies, our teacher, and our program nasi, and I said demonstration nasi our Ghana Education Service on. Now, this is what they said, and I like the fact that Ikuya Chacha is saying that who should wear your shoe? Obi an share shoe. Teachers no, Obi an share shoe. And the reason I'm saying say Obi an share shoe ni say John Mahama, His Excellency, we warned Ghanaians about him. And again, we warned Ghanaians about the NDC. The fact say NDC no, omu a party they don't care about the people. They only care about what they stand to gain. They only care about their stomach. They only care about their slave queens. They only care about their family members. We told Ghanaians, especially nurses and teachers. Because nurses and teachers know every now and then you allow yourself to be dragged into the political conversation. You allow yourself to be used for propaganda by politicians. So we warned you. We told you the fact say Muamu Kambekaya 2014 to 2016. Na John Mahama na president. Yes, sir. 2014 to 2016. Na John Mahama is Excellency now no president. Yes, sir. And we told you about the fact say he refused to employ people. He refused to pay teachers. Teachers worked for 3 years and they were given 3 months salary. We reminded you of all those things. We brought you even news items from City News, from Joy News, and the others to show you. Said this is John Mahama. Maybe if that time, now maybe we are Kolana, we brought you the files, evidence, hardcore evidence, news items, videos. In those videos, John Mahama, His Excellency, was saying, say, Onu de oye dead goat, on Shroshi. He said all those things. We played it for you before the election. But you people did not listen. You didn't listen. You allowed yourself to be carried away by a song, Kwen. Whenever we tell you something, say, Adele we and you, NDC for say ni say no mutino, your response was Kwen. John Mama, John Mama, that's what you were telling us. And we said that hey, allow more allowances no. John Mahama ne cancel you. Say Kwen. Hey, what didn't we tell teachers? We begged them. We beg teachers. We beg nurses. Princess, how are you doing? We begged them. But they were only responding, Kwen, sir. So we had to give up. And Ukraine so no, omuko to abano, omuchire ye Kwen no. Omuchire ye Kwen no. 7th December. Omu ebimu manko to abano, and I bimu so mako to ama NDC Kwen. Nyakupon, God in His own wisdom. God in His own wisdom knew say the best foot forward MPP. So when they went to do balloting, they went. God made sure say NDC. They were at number 8. God ensured say NDC they were at number 8. Ballot paper also. Yet still Ghana for Mukohono, you still went ahead to look through number 8 to want to vote for number 8. Yeah, Bisa Musadi and Muse Kwen. No problem. 6 months, you are already doing demonstration. To the extent, say, teachers who are not armed, innocent teachers who are just asking for their salaries, they called SWAT. SWAT. Why we need SWAT? No SWAT. The full meaning here, special weapons and tactics. They called them to come and sack them from Ghana Education Service. Now SWAT for Omobedu Hono. If you hear how they were commanding these teachers around, how they were commanding these teachers around, say we give you 3 minutes if you don't vanish from here. You think I'm the one saying it? I'll play it for you to hear. Let's listen to how the police dealt with the teachers when they got there. This is when the police arrived.
Not all of you can be leaders, so leave the premises. We are giving you only 3 minutes to leave these premises.
So you heard it. We are giving you only 3 minutes to leave the premises. That is revolution. Kwen. That is it. 3 minutes to vanish from the premises of a government institution, a government building. A government building. Yeah, kanu krasini be say MPP teachers. Krasini bill or see MPP teachers. On them say teachers ye form in batches. And those of you who have graduated this year, there's no way they can open portal and only some selected few will go through. But Krasini now comment section now your friend agomanya whatever the name is no or see MPP teachers. Or see MPP teachers. No problem. Kwen, that's where we are gotten to now. Now you are crying, say, come demo. You, these teachers, no. Sometimes, no. Adeng. Ebra akufuado ba, you know. There is something called continuous professional development. Continuous professional development. Na anyhow. Now entire teachers. Under akufuado government, they started paying them continuous professional development. I think it's 1,003 or so. And it was even taken to 2,000 something for them. It is paid once in a year. Akufo-Addo was paying you, and Dr. Mamudu Bawumia was paying you. You went through COVID more for almost 8 months, 9 months. Now Obi anko school. But Abaya anka say Obi anko school intino yentu amuka. You were still receiving your salaries every month. Upon all, when we told you to go and vote for MPP, you replied us with Kwen. John Mama, that's all. Teachers became like, Okashi Omunti, So then the person is here. So that is it. Now,